So what you got? Just a Corsica catback, or what is it?
It is a Corsa Extreme catback. It has no resonator.
No resonator.
So no resonator, just the Corsa muffler.
Let's do a cold start, and then once it warms up, we'll do some rev. So let's get the cold start first. So this is the Corsica. It is very cold out here, by the way. So it's the Corsica Extreme Ecoboost. What year is that? 2017. Ecoboost with Corsica Extreme catback. We're gonna let that warm up. Now we need to go hear the American power. Yeah, do it again. Definitely hear the turbos. Is this thing tuned?
What's up?
Is it tuned?
No.
Oh.
No tune, no cold air kit. I disconnected the recirculation tube on the blow-off valve, so the stock blow-off valve just vents the atmosphere.
Okay.
It just has a Corsa exhaust, and I drop in Canon air filter, no tune. I got 89 in it right now because I'm pulling a trailer extra.
All right. Well, we're gonna go check out the Coyote power. Trying to set up a race. We'll see. We'll see. Fire up the 3.5L Coyote with a muffler delete. This is a cold start.
You still have a resonator, correct?
Yeah, still has a resonator.
Still has a
Just
resonator.
leave the muffler with 3-inch pipe.
There you go. Let's hear it.